Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. Today, after a long time, I came up with a new traveling video because recently we went to Kataragama, and at that time I was thinking about doing a new traveling video. So here I'm going to share this with you guys. I hope you'll enjoy the video. And guys, in this video there are some drone shots which are normal I can't capture. So make sure that you will grab it. I selected Allavalvai road to travel, which is really awesome as that is a holiday. So many people checking around for an ideal place to have fun, and it was actually nice. If you ever have been to Province, you definitely know about Sacred Alla. That is the main tourist destination of Province, and it has mind-blowing beautiful jungle mountains and epic waterfalls. So here guys, I'm presenting you an elegant place captured on my camera. I couldn't help myself from getting down of my vehicle to embrace that pure beauty. So guys, this is Ravana Falls, and it's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka, and it's located in Alla. In 30 minutes, you will find this beautiful marble white cascading waterfall known as Ravana Falls. And guys, if you are planning to come to Alla, don't forget to visit Ravana Falls because this is really beautiful. According to the legend, it is said that King Ravana had kidnapped Princess Sita and had hidden her in the caves behind this waterfall, now simply known as Ravana Ella Cave. From here, you can also visit Ravana Cave and Niliyapakuna, which is truly amazing, believe me guys. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, hit the subscribe button below, and thank you for watching guys. See you again. Bye bye. This is Travel with Uma.